TV checked in today, and it looks like we have no power at all. We plugged in the power and it had no light, no nothing, and customers say that there is a problem with the red indicator, and then it to be shut off. No video.
Okay, so these backlights all here, you can see they're all burnt out and no longer functional. Just replaced it with a new strip, and now your backlights are brighter than ever. Here it is, Samsung TV after repair. Nice, bright, vibrant colors all across the screen. This is what it is. Fix your own TVs, stop wasting your money, and save the planet.